Look at Myria trying to make a move to the upside. All right, we got the market here. Let me show you the crypto bubbles real quick. We got the market making a nice move. We got the total 2 and total 3 breaking out of resistance. All right, these things, the total 3 is the whole market cap without Bitcoin and ETH, and the total 2 is the whole market cap without Bitcoin. Them two are breaking out. The total market cap is just about ready to break out. All right, so expecting some big runs to start. All right, it should be a decent time here, man. I think we're very close to a alt season. I believe that is coming very soon. You're going to see everything start to run here. All right, you got Myria here. Let's take a look at this thing. All right, I'm just charting this right now. All right, you got somewhat of a falling wedge on this thing, which that's what you want to see, right? Got this overhead resistance coming down here. All right, and then if we zoom in a little bit, you got this is the bigger move coming right here. All right, yeah, this is beautiful. That's what you want to see. That is definitely a falling wedge. That is absolutely beautiful. All right, bounced off the bottom right here, and it's trying to make a move up. Now, if you zoom in here, you also have a breakout about to happen inside here on another time frame right through here. I just seen this when I went to chart it right here. All right, this thing is about to break out inside here on this other move, and this should get you up into this area. It's just about ready to go. I mean, it's right there. All right, you can see it right. I gotta move this trend line just a little bit down, but you get the point, right? You have 3 touches in here. This thing is just about ready to break this area here. The daily RSI heading to the upside looks good. You know, your weekly. Look at that. I'm just heading up. This whole market looks great, guys. It really does. I mean, you're going to have stuff running big time. I think Myria, it is due here. You know, it definitely looks like a bottom through here. One area that you're going to want to, you know, if it takes this back, that would be a super good sign. It's right there. All right, let's make it a little bit smaller. A 1, and let's zoom in a little bit here on this. That is a major support area with support all up through here, and then Myria lost it here, but that's at 0.001580. Okay, if that thing can bounce up here, it's going to be right on, just about right on this outer trend line here. If we can break through that, that would be absolutely beautiful. It would read that moving average, everything is right there, and you could get a massive push out of Myria. I think you're going to see some big candles out of this thing. I really do. You know, just to run back to normal retracement levels. Let's take a look here. All right, we're going to go off this top right here and pull the fib down. All right, just a normal retracement. You would expect to get back. You know, back up into these zones here, 50% up to the 702. That's up to 0.008 to 0.01, you know, a penny, back up into them zones. And that, as far as percentage moves, down here up to there, wow, 640, that's a 6.5x. Oh my gosh. On leverage, yeah, on leverage, if you're just on a 10x, that is what, 65x in your money. Oh my gosh, I gotta look at this thing and look at per position. If you're into leverage trading, guys, check out Weeks in the description of the video. Great site. I use them every single day. Please use the link in the video and check out our level 3 membership. It's you get 10 hours of videos to teach you how to start charting like this, and a link to our Discord to come trade with us. All right, just put out a Tron Trick TRX trade over there a little bit ago. We're winning that one. Casper trade, that's going to be a big one. We're already in it, looking at about 20x in your money in that one. And this one here, this is huge trade. This one's back up here. That's 654%. That's a 6.5x. On a 10x leverage, it's a 60x in your money, 65x. That's crazy, ain't it? But Myria looking very, very good. I think the bottom's come in here. The whole market's looking great. Have a great day, everybody. Please hit that like and subscribe. Talk to you soon.